back to my YouTube channel, and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. Today I'm going to be making outfits with my tote bag. I picked out 5 tote bags to make an outfit with. If you did not check out my recent video, which was my tote bag collection, to see every single tote bag that well, not every single, but like the small tote bags that I have, you should go check out that video. I will have it in the description box and in the iCard too, so go check out that video. And yeah, but before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell, share this video to my friends, and also follow me on my social medias too, and that's on period. Now let's just get into this video. First outfit, I'll be wearing this regular pink shirt. It's nothing to it, it's just a regular pink shirt with this denim skirt. But I'm gonna tuck in the regular pink shirt and this tote bag. As you can see, the pink is in this tote bag, so that's where I got the pink from, and the denim matches because of this blue and that stuff. So yeah, so I just picked out colors from the tote bag basically. And the shoes are in here. It's just these platform Converses, and it just says life too short to waste. Very cute. So I feel like the outfit will be bomb because of the Converses and the tote bag. The second outfit is this regular black dress, this white jean jacket with these Converses, and this tote bag. As you can see, the Converses do have like a burgundy color in it, so I wanted to pick out the little color that y'all do not see. So yeah, in this outfit I wanted my shoe and of course the tote bag to pop out, not really the outfit, but the outfit would still pop out and make it look bomb. So that's what I wanted. So I just picked out like my most detailed shoe, I guess you can say. So yeah. Are these shorts? They're just regular shorts, light wash shorts. It's tie-dye shirt with this tote bag, these Converses. So in this outfit, basically everything is going to color coordinate kinda. The shirt has like almost every color that's in the shoe, and the tote bag is popping out the green, even though it's not green, it's like pink and blue in the shirt. Like basically the colorway of the shoe is the shirt, but I wanted the tote bag to like kind of put the green in the shirt too, because plus the tote bag even has like the pink little flowers. I don't want to say flowers, I think they are little flowers, I'm not sure, but they have pink little flowers on it, so I was like, it's gonna look good perfectly. So yeah. Outfit are these regular light wash jeans with this bodysuit that I never wore, but it still has the tag on it, denim tote bag, and these Converses. So basically in this outfit, it's really very color coordinated. You know, the blue coming from the bodysuit, the denim coming from the pants, and matching the bodysuit because it's like a light blue or sky blue basically. Very color coordinated for this outfit. Last outfit is just this shirt that says in embrace kindness, embrace mindfulness, embrace empathy, embrace joy, embrace life, and embrace happiness. I'm gonna wear these black jeans with them, with this black and white tote bag. The Converses I will be wearing. As you can see, this outfit is going to be very color coordinated. Simple black and white. Black and white goes with almost everything. So yeah. That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell, share this video to your friends, and also follow me in my personal videos too. And I'll see you in the next YouTube video.
It's so high. She's such a beautiful. Whenever she lunches.